Well, he attack me. But Jayden chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jayden place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden chase. We spray them face when the AK raise. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning upon the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I'm remind you now. But click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, this cannot be left out. The lead JCF investigator, viewers and subscribers, and his clear confession to cyber tampering. Now, when the defense, viewers and subscribers, was allowed to present the text messages and conversations in its entirety, because remember, them say them are gonna bring into admission text messages and conversations. Now, when the team got their investigators to look over the device and look at the information presented by themselves, remember them say text messages and conversations, it revealed, the viewers and subscribers, that these convos had nothing to do with the situation itself. Now, that is not the piece of information I want to talk about. In open court, viewers and subscribers, the lead investigator agreed with the suggestions that the text messages were referring to a child, had nothing to do with the situation that Sean Storm, Vybz Kartel, and all co-accused were in court for at the moment. He also admitted that he did not analyze the contents of the text messages the way the defense had analyzed it. Now think about it, viewers and subscribers. The defense team and their team of paralegals, without forensic training, could have looked at the information and realized, but wait, these messages have nothing to do with what they're being presented in court about. And you tell me, say the lead investigator for the JCF with forensics training could not overstand the information before him. Now, viewers and subscribers, this is a clear admission of guilt, a clear confession. We don't need it no more plain than that. How plain, how more extensive without incriminating oneself could one get than that? Him same agree with the suggestions made by the defense. Now, this is information that will be presented as well. As I always say, this cannot be excluded. All of this information has been typed and documented. This take place. It will be brought forth at the Privy Council, viewers and subscribers. Them now have a case. And for those who think they do, we are bored the whole night and showing it from right now. We are pointing it out from right now. Let's discuss it right now for those who are wonder. Because a lot of the information, to all the information was, because remember, after a case takes place, the information becomes public knowledge. And everybody go over there to do the research and so on. And the paralegal's job for the defense team to know that. But then again, because the case is moving from the appeal stage to the Privy Council stage, everything has to be documented, and it was. So all of this information, viewers and subscribers, is highlighted. All of the information that we are reasoning about now has been highlighted. What do you think? Isn't this in your own opinion? And this is without putting any personal feelings in the mix or in the reasoning. Just based upon the information just presented to you. Isn't that a clear confession? Isn't that a clear admission of guilt on the part of the JCF? Saying that yes, them do it. Remember, we already pointed out that conversations, messages were being sent after. How did the court allow a conviction to be handed out even with this taking place? There was a reason why the option to change the jury was not sought, even though the defense requested it. It had to be a clear reason why the prosecution did not agree. After what took place, they should have been the first to suggest it. But no, because they know so no matter what, this would be the outcome. And they know the judge would have handled the type of sentencing, the amount of years that we saw handed out. And for those who want to say, but wait, let us speculate. Right after that, the judge opted to retire and leave the island. Right after that, went into retirement. When all of this is brought forward to the Privy Council viewers and subscribers, the comment section known. Freedom is a must. We already have said. The comment is on its way. Freedom is a must, viewers and subscribers. And let's see it, we have finished off the fourth quarter dancehall strong. Bududum, it out. It out. Do it extremely well on multiple platforms, not just one platform. Big up all who continue to stream. Make sure you continue to stream the track. Continue to drop in a comment. You know what I mean? You know there's something go. Continue to share, stream and comment. Big up all who grab them single off of the different platforms. All who continue to stream on Spotify, stream on all the different platforms that the song is available on. And the song is available on all major platforms, viewers and subscribers. So, now I mean, continue to check out the track. The EP I got drop. And we have something special in store for the fans, God's willing, 2021. You know what I mean? So, we have that to look out for. Freedom is a must. And we also have the release. I'm telling you, we have something special in store for the fans. You know what I mean? Yes. We have something special in store for the fans. To be a good look for the teacher up on the streets when the other album drop. You know what I mean? Yes. I'm going to show them the powers of dancehall music. The force of the nation. Because I want nation of dancehall music, viewers and subscribers. And we have to point out and present the evidence. Now watch, you know? The prosecution had no case from day one. So that is why we hear them making no other big talks than what, you know? Them now release the phone. Delay tactic. They have resorted to their only move, which was a delay tactic. Now, them now have no more move. Pass checkmate. You know what I mean? So you know that go. Talk to me in the comment section though. I don't want to feel about the entire reasoning, viewers and subscribers. So for all who wonder about the voice notes and the text messages, we have covered the topic extensively. To prove the point that we have always been making. That one, the evidence was tampered with. Two, you know who tampered with it. And the ones who did it confessed to tampering with the evidence. So, you know what I mean? Talk to me in the comment section. But I said one called Jayden, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative. And yes, I'm reminded, you know, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through. But they like the reason, and of course, they like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon, the drop a like on the blog, bust a share on the blog. In truth, they are located in close proximity So drop a like and bust a share. Comment section over 24/7. I mean, never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can, yes, continue the reasoning via the comment section. So share your opinion. You know what I feel. You know what I mean? And my sentiments, well, first and foremost, our up move settings. I wanna need a ladder, and my sentiments for you and yours that wanna live, love, and prosper until we reason again.